Best Midsize Sports Sedans for 2024 Audi RS 5. In the realm of midsize sports sedans, the 2024 Audi RS 5 stands out as a formidable competitor, blending high-performance capabilities with luxury and refinement. As a member of Audi's esteemed RS lineup, the RS 5 exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering exhilarating driving experiences while maintaining a sophisticated aura. At the heart of the 2024 Audi RS 5 lies a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, capable of producing an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. This power is channeled through an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic transmission to Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and acceleration. The RS 5's performance credentials are undeniable, with a 0 to 60 mph sprint achievable in just 3.7 seconds, making it one of the quickest in its class. The RS 5's dynamic performance is complemented by its advanced suspension and chassis technologies. Audi's sport-tuned adaptive suspension system adapts to varying road conditions, offering a perfect balance between comfort and agility. The precise steering system enhances handling, allowing the RS 5 to tackle corners with confidence and poise. Additionally, optional carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, further enhancing the driving experience. Visually, the 2024 Audi RS 5 exudes a sporty and elegant presence. Its sleek exterior design features sculpted lines, a signature single-frame grille, and aggressive air intakes. Distinctive RS-specific elements, such as larger air intakes, flared wheel arches, and a rear diffuser, contribute to its athletic stance and aerodynamic efficiency. Optional 20-inch alloy wheels add to the RS 5's commanding road presence, while dynamic LED headlights illuminate the path ahead with precision. Inside the cabin, the RS 5 offers a luxurious and driver-focused environment. Premium materials such as fine Nappa leather, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents adorn the interior, creating an upscale ambience. The RS Sport seats provide excellent support and comfort during spirited drives, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and Audi's virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster enhance the driving experience. The MMI Touch Response infotainment system, with a 10.1-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, ensures seamless connectivity and entertainment on the go. Safety and driver assistance features are comprehensive in the 2024 Audi RS 5. The sedan comes equipped with advanced technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a top-view camera system, providing peace of mind and enhancing overall driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Audi RS 5 sets a high standard in the midsize sports sedan segment. With its powerful engine, agile handling, and luxurious amenities, the RS 5 offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and refined. Whether cruising on the open road or navigating city streets, the Audi RS 5 promises an unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.